It's getting rougher out there in the crypto industry. Joseph Lubin's Consensys Ethereum accelerator is not ruling out layoffs, while ETCDev is shuttering its business and closing down development of Ethereum Classic. Hi, it's Investiva's Kiana Danielle with Crypto Briefing. The week has not started well for crypto nuts, and it's not just the markets that are bringing us down. ETCDev has been a key player in the resurgence of Ethereum Classic, but yesterday, CEO Igor Artmanov abruptly closed the business, saying this was partially due to the market crash combined with a cash crunch in the company, as he said in a statement. In a moment, we'll take a look at the Ethereum Classic chart to see what the news means to ETC fans, but that's not the only bearish sign as we move into December. According to reports, Ethereum co-founder Joe Lubin will axe underperforming projects from the Consensys stable. That could be more bad news for journalism startup Civil, which secured $2.5 million from the company and then failed to raise its soft cap in a crowdfunding effort last month. And perhaps most dramatically of them all is Steemit, which seems to have been moving along relatively smoothly, but it has slashed 70% of its workforce as the pace of adoption fails to keep up with expenses. As crypto matures, we're going to start seeing some projects fail. In fact, the traditional rate of failure for startups in general is about 90%. We see no reason why crypto should be any different. So it's natural and even healthy for the ecosystem. It gives successful companies more room to grow and prunes the unhealthy branches. With that said, we're sorry to see ETCDev go. They're a good bunch of people and we wish them well. Now let's see how the fundamental news impacted ETC's price action versus the US dollar, Bitcoin, and Ethereum respectively. And it's worth first mentioning that both Bitcoin and Ethereum lost over 7% of the respective value versus the US dollar on Monday, while US dollar itself wasn't having a great day either, as the DXY, which is a US dollar index that tracks the value of the greenback versus a basket of fiat currencies, saw minor losses as well. Despite this, the losses in ETC were far greater. Looking at ETC USD's 4-hour chart, the pair has crossed below the Ichimoku cloud, forming a double top bearish chart pattern, testing the key pivot level and the pattern's neckline at $4.53. This is after the dramatic drops that started on November 18th. Versus Bitcoin, ETC aborted its newly developed bullish momentum. On the first couple of December days, ETC-BTC managed to break above the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud and confirm a saucer bottom bullish reversal chart pattern, which could have been great news for ETC fans. But the fundamental news has cast a cloud on this positive technical formation. An interesting observation is the future Ichimoku cloud, which appears to be bullish, indicating that this pullback may be temporary. Finally, versus Ethereum, the chart pattern is almost identical to that of ETC-BTC, with dramatic drops supported by the upper band of the Ichimoku cloud. With that, the price action in the next few days could be critical to setting the next trend for Ethereum Classic's value. Now, I'd love to hear from you and your thoughts about Ethereum Classic. Do you think there is still hope for its survival? Let me know in the comments and subscribe to get more updates.